Welcome to this video. I want to show you how to actually create beautiful, eye-catching pictures that you can post to your Facebook and also use it to advertise your links. The reason I love Canva is that you can create very attention-grabbing pictures, especially make it related to your niche. Now in this niche, for the basis of this video, we are going to be talking about the creating wealth from home niche. So we are going to create something and advertise our links. As I said, I belong to a multi-level marketing system, SFI, and there are a lot of ways you can advertise the affiliate link, not just SFI, but any other link that you have as an affiliate. You can also use this method. Now, if you are not familiar with Canva, all you have to do is to just put in www.canva.com on your Google. This is the page that comes out. So all you need to do is to click on your sign up. Once you click on the sign up, this is what comes out, this particular page. So all you have to do is to enter your name right here. Enter your name. Tell what you do. For what you do, you can just go to maybe put a small business, startup, blog, whatever, and then you click on get started. It's free. I have to enter a name here. Let me just enter any name I want. Susan James. Okay. Get started is free. And then you put in your email and put in a password. Like here, my own email came out because I already have an account with it. So all you have to do, put in an email, put in a password, click that you're not a robot. Once you click that you're not a robot, and that's all. So you just sign up. I can't sign up now because this is my email. So all I have to do is to log in. That is all you need to do, and you have a Canva account. So if I click here, this is my own account. So I will just log in to my own account. So I am in my account now. As you can see, there are a lot of builds here that you can, picture of build that you can post to your Facebook. This is Facebook or Instagram or whatever. But what I normally do is that I go straight to create a design. You want to create a new design, you can either go here to create a new design, or you can just click on Facebook. Since what we want to do is to paste this on Facebook, so you can just click there. It will still take you to the design page where you can just pick any of the templates, change it the way you want, make it attractive and eye-catching, write whatever you want to write, and then we are good to go. As you can see, this is the template that shows you different kinds of pictures. There are a lot of pictures, a lot of pictures. If you want to just search for a particular one, maybe you want to promote something that has to do with an affiliate link that has to do with food, you can just put it there and you search for it and it comes out. But I want to promote affiliate link that has to do with auctions. I want to use auctions to promote my own affiliate link. So I'm going to look for something to do that will, to give me an eye-catching picture that I can use to promote something like that. Okay, let's look at something like this. This looks nice. And please always click on pictures that is free, except you want to buy. But most of the free pictures are very much beautiful. They are okay. You can customize it any way that you like. Look at this here. So what I want to do, this is here. I want to write something here that will make people want to click on it. So I can write something like did you know you can play games and win cash? Something like that. I can just write, did you know you can play? No. No, I wanted to advertise something that has to do with auction. So let me just stick to auction. Let me say something like, did you know you can win an auction even when you lose? Did you know you can win an auction even when you lose the item. So something like that. This will make somebody curious to find out how can I win an auction when I lose the game. If you want to remove this after this write up, you just click on it and then click on the take it to the trash and click on it, and that goes off. So you have just your words here, and then we can bring it up so that all the words enter, because right now it's not entering. Click outside the box, so this is there too. I can also click there to just reduce the font a little so that to enter very well. The font right now is 55.1, so let's reduce it to maybe 48 and see what it looks like. Okay, everything is in there, but 48 is a little bit small. Let's make it 6. Okay, I think that should be a little bit okay. Good. As you can see, I have that down. Okay, let's say I want to do something to this one. Maybe shift it a little bit to the side and add something else. I'll look for something else I can add. Maybe go to let me see, elements. Go to elements, look for something like this is free. Click it there, and then look for all these little boxes. Will help you to adjust it to the size that you want. Maybe to enter that little space that we have there. So bring it there and bring this here. Maybe click this and bring this a little bit here. It's okay. So you generally get the picture. So all you have to just do something that's attractive, you know. For here you can also change the color. Maybe let's change it to black, maybe to look a little bit better. See, okay, you can change the color. You can do whatever you want. The sky is your limit when it comes to Canva. I just love it because you can do anything you want as long as you know how to use it. Just create something, you know, that will make people want to click on your link. So that is all it is to it. Now that you finished it and you look at it and you like what you see, you can even change the way this is written. You can go here. This is change the way you want it written. Look for something else, you know. Maybe if you want it to be like this or you want it to be like this, you can change it, you know. It will not change the way the writing looks. Or maybe you want the writing to look let me see, I'm sure that one is there, a little bit thick. So it depends on you. Whatever you want, you can do it with Canva. We want it to be like this. You see, everything, you can do anything, just make it look nice. If you want to remove all this, just click outside the box and it goes away. So this looks nice. Maybe I'll just increase this font a little bit more since I've changed the way it looks. Maybe increase it a little bit to 50 something. Let me make it 56. Okay. Did you know you can win an auction even when you lose the item? Find out how. So maybe I'll just put in something like find out how. Stop. So anybody that is curious about what kind of auction is that somebody will win even when you lose. So put in something like this and post it to your Facebook. You can publish it directly to Facebook, but the problem with publishing things like this to Facebook is that some people might not be interested in clicking. So the best bet is to publish it to people that are looking for something like this. And that is why in my other video I showed you how you can join work from home groups, affiliate marketing groups, all kinds of groups, that will help you to publish this kind of posts to people that are looking for something like this. Now we finish with this. All you have to do is to click on the download button, and then you just click download, and it will prepare to download directly to your desktop or to your download page. So all you have to do, like me, what I do after the download, I just click here, find out where it is, show in folder, where did it download to, see where it is, and I just click on it and then send it to my desktop here. So that is all there is to it. Once it is on my desktop, I can now open my Facebook page and then send it to where I want to send it. Where is it? Let me see. It should be on my desktop here somewhere. Here it is. So it's on my desktop here. All I have to do now is maybe change the name so that I'll be able to just put it as auction pics or so. That's all. That is all there is to it. There's not much to it. Once you've done that, you find out that once it is on your computer, you can now upload it to your Facebook page. If you go to my other video, I showed you how you can upload this kind of build on your Facebook page directly to the people that you've already created, the group you've already created to post it to. So that is all there is to it for Canva. Once you've done this, please watch the other video and